Now today, what is mean direct method? Mean direct method. How to find out the direct method? Mean in direct method, assumed method, and step deviation method is there. Now we will prove that find mean by direct method. Find mean by direct method. So class interval is 1 3 3 5 5 7 7 9 9 11, and it is the frequency. So first column is write the class interval, and next column frequency. Next column frequency, and next value class mark. Class mark is denoted by x. How to find out the class mark? Average of the lower and upper limits. Average of the lower and upper limits. So average of the class 1 plus 3 4 4 by 2 is equal to 2. 3 plus 5 8 8 by 2 is equal to 4. 8 by 2 is equal to value what is 4. Next 5 plus 7 12 12 by 2 is equal to value 6. 9 plus 7 plus 9 16 16 by 2 equal to value 8. 9 plus 10 11 20 20 by 2 equal to value 10. So it is a class mark. Here difference class interval is also 2. 3 minus 1 2. 5 minus 3 2. 7 minus 5 2. That is a class size or class interval. Here class mark difference also 2. And fx frequency is denoted by f, and x is the class mark. So multiplied f and x column. 7 into 2 7 2, so 14. Next 8 into 4 8 4, 32. 2 into 6 2 6 12. 2 into 8 2 8 16. 1 into 10 10. So add this column, add frequency column. Add frequency column means f column, that is sigma fi. Sigma fi equal to value 20. Add fx column. So sigma, if you add addition symbol sigma, fi xi is equal to value, this value equal to 14 plus 32 is equal to 46. 46 plus 12, 58. 58 plus 16, 74. 74 plus 10, 84. That is value sigma fi xi value 84. Sigma fi value 20. Mean by direct method. Mean by direct method formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi value 84 by sigma fi value 20. So 2 tens, 2 how many times? 2 fours, 2 twos. 42 by 10. 42 by 10 means 4.2. Then mean is denoted by x bar. So mean is equal to value what is that? 4.2. It is the direct method. Direct method mean formula sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Now assumed mean method formula. A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Find mean by assumed method. Find mean by assumed method. Class interval frequency is given. Class interval and frequency is given. First write the class interval is first column, next column frequency. Next, we will prepare the class mark. How to find out the class mark? Average of the class. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 by 2 equal to 3 plus 5, 8, 8 by 2 equal to 4, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, 12 by 2 equal to 6, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16 by 2 equal to 8, 9 plus 11 is equal to 20, 20 by 2 equal to value 10. That is the class mark. Here di equal to x minus a. Here these are all x values. A is assumed value. Assumed value is one of the class mark. So for example, I will take a value 6. A value 6. And x minus a. X means 6. A also 6. X minus a. 6 minus 6 equal to value what is 0. X value is 8. 8 minus 6. A value 6. 8 minus 6 is equal to value plus 2. X value is 10, A value is a constant value, A is constant, 10 minus 6 is equal to value 4. And next, X value is 4, A value is constant, A value is 6, 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is equal to value what is that? Minus 2. 4 minus 6 is equal to value what is that? Minus 2. And X value 2 and A value 6. 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is equal to value what is that? Minus 4. Minus 4. These are the dA equal x minus a. We will take a value, any one of the a value in class mark. and simplify that. That is the di. And multiply the f and f column means frequency and di. f into di. 7 into minus 4. 7 into minus 4 equal to value minus 28. Minus 28. 8 into minus 2. 8 into minus 2 equal to value minus 16. Next 2 into 0 is equal to value 0. Next 2 into value 2 to 4. 1 into 4, 4. This total column here some negative values, some positive values is there. Add the negative values. Add the negative values. Minus 28 minus 16 is equal to minus 44. Minus 44. Add the positive value. 4 plus 4 equal to value plus 8. Then simplification is equal to value. What is it? Minus 44 plus 8 is equal to minus 32. Minus 32. Oh, sorry. Minus 36. Minus 36. This value is sigma fi di. Fi di is equal value minus 36. Now here a value 6, sigma fi di value minus 36, sigma fi equal to 20. So assumed mean formula a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Assumed mean formula a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. What is the a? 6 plus sigma fi di minus 36. Minus 36 by sigma fi equal value 20. 2 tens, 2 18s, that equal to value 6 plus into minus 18 by 10, that equal to 6 minus 18 by 10 means value what is that 1.8. 6 minus 1.8 equal to value 4.2, that is the mean by assumed method. Now find the mean by step deviation method. Find the mean by step deviation method. Here class interval and frequency is given. So first write the class interval first column, and next write the frequency in the second column. Here what is the step deviation mean formula? A plus sigma fi uy by sigma fi into h. A plus sigma fi uy by sigma fi into h. That is step deviation method formula. So here class interval and frequency is given. So we will find out the next column, class mark. Class mark means average of the class. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 by 2 equal to value 2. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 by 2 equal to value 4, like that. Here class size equal to value 2. Here class mark difference also 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It is a class mark, means mid value of the class interval. Next, dA equal to value x minus a. dA equal to value x minus a. Here one value is taken a. Here we will take I will take a equal value 6. 6 minus x value is all are x values. 6 is a constant. We will take a value 6. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. 8 minus 6. X value is 8. A value 6. 8 minus 6 equal to 2. X value 10. A is a constant. Value what is 6. Say 10 minus 6 equal to value 4, x value 4, 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2, x value 2, 2 minus 6 equal to value minus 4. That is the dA. And next column, uy equal to x minus a by h. What is the x? Already x minus a. X is a class mark. X minus a already find out here by h. H means class size. How to find out the class size? The difference between the lower limits or upper limits of any two consecutive classes is called the class size. 3 minus 1, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. So class size or class interval equal value 2. So x minus a by h means value 2. So minus 4 by 2. Class size value 2. Minus 4 by 2 equal value minus 2. Minus 2. And next minus 2 by 2 equal value what is that? Minus 1. Minus 1. And 0 by 2 equal value what is that? 0. 2 by 2 equal value 1. Next 4 by 2 equal value 2. Next Fi Uy. Next column is that Fi Uy. What value? F value, frequency value, F and Uy column. Multiply frequency and Uy column. 7 into minus 2 equal value minus 14. Minus 14. 8 into minus 1 minus 8. 8 into minus 1 minus 8. 2 into 0. 2 into 0 equal value 0. Next 2 into 1 2. F column and Uy column. Multiplied F column and Uy column. 1 into 2 2. So simplifying. Here some negative values, some positive values is there. What are the negative values? Minus 14, minus 8, minus 22. Minus 22. That value. And next positive value is 2 plus 2 equal value plus 4. Plus 4 is equal to minus 18. Minus 18 this value. That equal value sigma Fi Uy. That is sigma Fi Uy value minus 18. Sigma Fi Uy equal value minus 18. Sigma Fi equal value 20. H equal to class size or class interval equal to 2. And A equal to 6. Step deviation mean formula A plus sigma Fi Uy by sigma Fi into H. What is the A? 6 plus sigma Fi Uy minus 18 by sigma Fi value 20 into H. H equal value class size equal value 2. So here 2 ones, 2 tens. So 6 plus into minus 18 by 10. That equal to 6 minus 18 by 10 means value at 1.8. 10 ones 10. Remaining 8, so decimal 0, 8, 10 8 80. So R 10, 18, 10 ones 10, 8, decimal 0 here, 10 8 80. That is simplification equal value what is that 1.8. 6 minus 1.8. 6 rupees minus 1 rupee 80 paise. That equal to 4 rupees 20 paise. That means 4.2. Therefore, mean equal value 4.2. A direct method or assumed method and step deviation method, anyone. So all answers are the same, 4.2. Find mean by direct method, assumed method and step deviation method. Now here, direct method. First class interval is right, the class interval is first column and frequency is the second column. First class interval is the first column, next second column is the frequency. Find out the class mark. Class mark means mid value of the class interval. Mid value of the class interval. How to find out the mid value of the class interval? Average of the class. 200 plus 250. 200 plus 250 equal to 400. 400 by 2 is equal to 225. 225. Next, 250 plus 300. That is equal to value 550. 550 by 2 is equal to 275. 275. Next 300 plus 350. 300 plus 350 is equal to value 650. 650 by 2 is equal to 325. Here class size, the difference between the lower limits or upper limits of any two constitutive classes. Constitutive means side by side classes. So here 250 minus 200 50. 300 minus 250 50. Here class mark difference also 50. So 325 plus 50 375. It is a class mark of this class interval. And next value 425. So it is a class mark. It is a frequency. Next multiplied frequency and x class mark. 12 into 225. 12. Next multiplied frequency and class mark x value. F into x fx. 12 into 225. 12 into 225. 2700. 2700. 14 into 275, 14 into 275, 3850. And 8 into 325, 8 into 325 equal value 2600. And 6 into 375, 6 into 375 equal value 2250. And next 6 into 10 into 425. 10 into 425, 4250. This total, add this total sigma fi xi. That is equal to value 15,650. So sigma f equal to value 50. Sigma fi xi value 15,650. That is equal to value sigma fi value fi xi value 15,650 by 50. 0 0 cancel. 1565 by 5. 5 ones, 5 threes, 5 ones, next to 5 threes. That is equal to value 330 by direct method. Assumed method. Assumed method is some same assumed method. Class mark, class interval, frequency. First write the class interval in the first column, next column frequency, next class mark. How to find out the class mark? Average of the class. 200 plus 250 equal to value 450. 450 by 2 equal to value 225. That is the class mark. So 250 plus 300, 550. 550 by 2 equal to value 275. So it is a class mark. And D equal to value x minus A. So we will take any one of the values assumed value. Any one of the value assumed value. So here 275 is assumed value. X is a change. X is all values. A is a constant value. 275 A value. X value also 275. 275 minus 275 0. 275 minus 275 0. 325 minus 275. 325 minus 275 is equal to value 50. 375 minus 275 is equal to value 100. 425 minus 275. 425 minus 275 equal to value 150. X value 225. A value 275. 225 minus 275 is equal to minus 50. So it is a D equal to value x minus A. So we will take A value, assumed value in one of the class mark D value. A value D equal to value x minus A. They simplified that. And next value F into D. F into D. Fi dA. So what is it? 12 into minus 50. 12 into minus 50 equal to value minus 600. Minus 600. 14 into 0, 0. 14 into 0, 0. 8 into 50. 850 is 400. 6 into 100, 600. 10 into 150, 10 into 150, 1050. So add the positive values. Add positive values. So here 10 into 150 value 1500. Here value what is that? 1500. Then add the positive values 2500 plus 2500 minus 600 is equal to minus 1900 plus 1900 plus 1900. This value sigma fi dA. Here sigma fi dA value 1900. Sigma fi value total sigma fi equal value 50. Add the frequency column. So what does it mean by assumed method mean formula? A plus sigma fi dA by sigma fi. A equal to assumed value in one of the class mark value. What is it? 275. 275 plus sigma fi dA. Sigma fi dA value what is it? 1900 by sigma fi 50. 0 0 cancel. That is equal to 275 plus 190 by 5. 5 ones, 5 threes, 15. The balance value 4. 40. 5 eights. So 275 plus 38 is equal to 330. So it is a by assumed method mean value 330. Direct method also 330. Here step deviation method. Class interval and frequency. First write the class interval first column, next column frequency. Find out the next column class mark. Already we know that class mark. Average of the class 200 plus 250 equal to 450. 450 by 2 equal to value 225. 250 plus 300. What is that? 550. 550 by 2 equal to 275. Like that. Then write the class mark. D equal to x minus A. So we will take the assumed value in one of the class mark. X is the class mark or mid value of the class interval. So here we will take the A value 275. A equal value 275. B equal to value x minus A. A is a constant 275. X is changing. So what is it? 325 minus 275. 325 minus 275 equal to 50. 375 minus 275 equal to value 100. 425 minus 275 equal to value 150. 275 minus 275 equal to 0. 225 minus 275 equal to value minus 50. X value 225. A value 275. 225 minus 275 equal to value minus 50. That is the dA. Uy equal to x minus A by H. H is the value, what is it? Class size or class interval. What is the value? Class size or class interval value? 50. So x minus A, already we know that x minus A value is that by H. Minus 50 by 50 equal to value minus what value? Minus 1. Minus 1. 0 by 50 equal to value 0. 50 by 50 equal to value 1. 100 by 50 equal to value 2. 150 by 50 equal to value 3. Then multiply F and Uy. F and Uy. F column and Uy column. 12 into minus 1, minus 12. 14 into 0, Fy and Uy. 14 into 0, 0. 8 into 1, 8. 6 into 2, 6 2s, 12. 10 into 3, 10 into 3, 30. And equal to add the positive values. 30 plus 12, 42 plus 8, 50 plus 50 plus 50. And minus value, minus 12. And equal to value plus 38. That is the sigma Fi Uy. Sigma Fi Uy equal to value 38. A value 275. And class size or class interval value equal to value 50. Sigma Fi value 50. So A equal to value, what is that? 275 plus sigma Fi Uy. Sigma Fi value 38 by sigma Fi. Sigma Fi value 50 into H equal value also 50. 50 50 cancel. 275 plus 38 is equal to 275 plus 38 equal to 330. Here it is at step deviation method value 330. Assumed method value also 330 and direct method mean also 330. Same sum by direct method, assumed method and step deviation method.